Welcome. Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have a new Magnum ice cream flavor made by Unilever Corporation, and it's called Double Gold Caramel Billionaire. Now, what does the Gold Billionaire stands for? Is this like golden ice cream made for Warren Buffett and Bill Gates? Well, there's only one way to find out, with the taste test. This is the packaging. We have a nice golden logo over here, golden text, and here it says golden caramel chocolate. So I wonder if it looks like gold. And on the back, Unilever logo, the company who makes this, and some information nobody cares about. Let's open it. Let's see what kind of ice cream this is. Nice. Look at this. It looks so yummy. So it has some kind of rigged things around the chocolate. I wonder if it's like almond or some kind of other nut. It looks so yummy. Smell really good. Let's taste it. Gold caramel ice cream Billionaire going in. Chocolate coloring, really nice. Oh, look on the inside. It's overflowing with caramel. Look at this. So much caramel inside. That's a classic Magnum ice cream flavor combined with this little bit salty caramel, to be honest. It's a little bit salty. I like it. Look how much there is the caramel inside. It's completely overflowing with the caramel. They didn't save the caramel when they made this. Very good. Let's check the ingredients for one. Layers of pleasure, combining biscuit and pecan flavor ice cream, salted caramel sauce, and golden caramel chocolate with crunchy biscuit pieces. So it had a salty caramel, like I tasted, and also the cover. I think these are the pecan nuts, or are these the crunchy biscuit pieces? I'm not sure which one is it. And layers of pleasure. It says layers of pleasure, and I can completely agree with it. This has many different layers, like the cover on its own, it's very good. Then we have the salty sauce, very good. And then we have classic ice cream. So 3 different pleasures here. You can eat them on your own, or you can like combine them together, really good. I have to say, this is maybe one of the best ice creams I ever tasted. So the taste wise, this ice cream is getting perfect 10. 10 from the taste. Everything is good about this ice cream, there's nothing bad. But what about the price? Let's check the price on the computer and compare it with the other flavors. So this is the ice cream from the store I bought it, and it was only €1, but it was half off, so the normal price is like $2.29. That's not so bad. It's around €30 per kilogram, maybe. And if we compare it to the other ice cream flavors on the same store, we have like Ben & Jerry's that costs way more, 35 per kilogram. And we have these classic ice creams that are not nearly as good, and they already cost like 20 per kilogram, 155. So I think $2.30 is not so bad. we have this store private label ice cream that costs like 8 per kilogram, so this is really cheap, but I don't think this will be, it's 100 times less tasty than the Magnum one, so I think price wise this gets like 8 out of 10. It's from the higher end, but it's not as high as, for example, Ben & Jerry's. So yeah, 8 out of 10 price wise. Magnum Double Caramel Billionaire. The total rating on this ice cream will be 9 out of 10. It's really good. If you haven't tasted this, you have to go buy it. It's really unique ice cream experience. Like, I never imagined that ice cream could have like biscuit pieces with pecan nuts and still taste good. So thank you Magnum again for amazing ice cream experience, and thanks for watching this video. Make sure to check out other videos over here, and here, and subscribe to the channel if you like the reviews. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.